buongiorno paesani! Are you ready for another Sicilian word? Are you learning Sicilian with me? I hope so. If you're not learning it, it's gonna refresh your memory of words that you've heard or that you know, that you probably don't use every day, that you've forgotten. So, quale parola I'm a parlare oggi? Arricambari. What does that mean? It means to come back home. When your parents used to yell at you to come home, arricambati intra. Or when you used to go out, un arricambare tardo. In Italian we say tornare a casa o torna a casa. Non tornare a casa troppo tardi o torna a casa che dobbiamo mangiare, whatever the case may be. Arricambare is how you say it in Sicilian. So that's it for today. Keep watching, keep following me on YouTube channel Italiani di Montreale Amici. The numbers are rising, my heart is growing. I'm very happy, I'm very touched, and I really appreciate all your support. So keep watching e ci vediamo presto!